Hi and welcome to Tier 10 to Prem. This is episode 53 and it's FA Cup third round day. Today we have York City. We are the underdogs, and what's the best thing to help an underdog? Come over and subscribe to their channel. Then also hit that like button. Don't forget to get notified when we're around again, and get some comments in down below. That would help this channel in a big way. But let's go and cheer on those underdogs. So with the fitness levels of Glover no good and Hayden Turner obviously picking up that injury in his last game, we've now got Harvey in goal, Robinson, Todd, Purcell, Lovell, Kite, Crawford, Mahadi, Phelan, Goldsworthy and Pickering. So 8 changes from the last game. Let's go and win this game, shall we? It'd be nice to... We owe York for what happened in our last match. Go out and get revenge. Whether that's the right thing to say, I don't know, but I feel against a 4-3-3, which is never a good formation. I'm not start making excuses now, but we do not like playing that formation. And let's encourage everybody. 7 minutes in, fired up. That's the way. Come on, boys. And it's York with the first highlight. As I was saying, I don't like this 4-3-3. I don't like this 4-3-3 at all. That ball went out of play, surely. I'm just thinking, have we got a highlight? What happened then? We did have a highlight, but nothing come of it. 15 minutes in, I'm just thinking, can Pickering... He can't play anywhere else. Neither can Goldsworthy, can he? What about Phelan? Can he... Just thinking, can we... Phelan can play in behind. So actually... I know this probably is not exactly what we should be doing, but... Yeah, just need to... So Crawford's there and there. Kite. So... Can he play as a... Mazzala support? And then we need to get him just a bit more... Yeah. Or he can play as a shadow striker. Let's do that. Just change things up slightly, just to... I don't know. probably won't work, but we just need to move people around just to get people in the box, but also have an extra man in here. I just feel that against the 4-3-3, sometimes you just got to have that extra man, and hopefully it'll pay off. Lovell to Goldsworthy, and Phelan pops up with a goal. Oh my goodness, could that be a little early tweak? That's a tactical masterstroke by James. Myself. Cracking header from Phelan. Hopefully that's just what we need. Now Pickering, I'm sorry, but moving you out there. But Phelan, just sometimes you just got to do something a little bit different, just to try and see what we can do. Now, ignore that. I know I've put him out there for a reason. He's out there for a reason. For the good of the game, he's going to help us out today. Home analysis. I'm just thinking out loud here, just while the highlights are going on. Stats. So we've got body language there as well, yeah. Yes. Half an hour gone. Praise. Praise be. Just trying to think what's the best. Because we know they're playing okay. Now, Lovell. Purcell. Don't do anything silly now. It's coming up to half time. Crawford. Pickering. Pickering, do what you do. Do what you do, Pickering. Not that. Don't lose the ball there. Let's win it back. Win it back. Lovell. Crawford. Oh, just giving it. Just Pickering's out here. Use him. And here we go. Here we go. For goodness sake. It's just, you could see it coming, couldn't you? You could see it coming. I'm going to berate them. I'm going to berate them. Just the decisions. Decisions. Pass the ball. There's a man on wide. Give him the blooming ball. What on earth are you trying to hit a long ball like that? I'm not happy. I'm not happy. It's 1-1 and I'm not happy. It shouldn't be 1-1. You know, you played so well. Fire them up. Come on. I prefer that. Prefer the body. No, wrong one. Prefer the body language. I think maybe I'll have a little play around. But no. I'm not. That's next season. Anything now is next season. I'm not touching the skin again. Lovell. Riley Lowe. Right now. Richards for Robinson. Why? Yellow card. Bugger off with your yellow card. Phelan's got a yellow card. Phelan's not looking very good, should I say. Crawford as well. My word, look at these levels. Let's just do that a minute. And we will. Phelan's having a good game though, isn't he? Crawford. Pickering. Phelan's now picked up a yellow card. Phelan off for Ford. Pickering. Sorry, son. Shouldn't. For Toland. Kieran Toland. What a time for Kieran Toland to come in and do his stuff. If we ever needed a hero, Sir Kieran Toland. And Toland with the corner. And they're breaking. And they're going to break. And there's 8 minutes to go. Riley Lowe, what a challenge, son. Mahadi. Robinson gives it away. And the rain is now tipping it down. And they're breaking. It's just wide. Come on. Fire up. I'd rather go extra time. But it's going to kill them. Look at them. The levels are shot to pieces. They're the same. We've made 3 changes. And it's coming up to full time. And is Football Manager going to do one of its famous last second little efforts for them just to blow us away? It's gone to extra time. Where the better sides get out there and win it. I agree. I've got hair in my eye. Right. Come on. fire up. They're motivated. They're overwhelmed. All sorts. Let's just get on with it. Let's win that ball back. Win the ball back. Do something. Win it back. Todd. Kite. Toland. Ford. Ford! Oh, please. Please. Football Manager. If there is a God, leave us have this 4th round tie, please. Ford. Oh my word. Can we do a shout? We can. Praise. Everybody praise. Play. Play the football. See the game out. Oh, we've removed get stuck in. No, we should have kept that on. Oh. Come on. Coming up to half time. First half is done. 15 minutes. 15 minutes. Focus. That's all you got to do. Is just focus on this 15 minutes of football. Just to get through to this next round, and we've given the ball straight back to them. All you got to do is keep clearing your lines. Keep clearing your lines. Goldsworthy. Goldsworthy with his finishing, you would think he'd put that away every time. Now they, in that midfield, are shot. They the same. They're down on 40s. They don't know what else to do. We can't do any more. Is there going to be one more little twist, or is that it? And after extra time, we are through to the 4th round of the FA Cup. Oh my goodness. That was special. That was special. Unbelievable. It's been... that game just seemed to go on and on and on. I don't know. Nerve jangling. Absolutely nerve jangling. We will see who we've got in the next round in a second after a few clicks. And the FA Cup draw has been made. And we have got Leeds United away. Now that... nearly 38,000 fans. Not sure if that's going to be a massive payday, but it's certainly going to be a payday. And we've also got Coville against, we got either us or Gloucestershire in that. So yes, interesting tie. Leeds United, 14th in the Premier League. Tasty game. We're definitely coming back for that one. If you've liked that one, please subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to hit the like button and also get notified when we're back again. Let's get some comments down there, shall we? Any Leeds United fans around? Let's have a look at you. See what you got to say. Speak to you soon.